was built to last when the webs are weaving. I could change the past.
Today we'll discuss about critical assets. How can we track in our CMMS system the uptime of critical assets? So as you can see this dashboard, there is one component asset uptime tracker. Like this is the new component, okay, for asset uptime tracking. So here we can track different assets uh, which we have configured for operation, number of operation hours and operation days. So category wise we can see, and between different periods like 1 month, 3 month, or 4 months, 6 month, 1 year, up to 1 year we can track how my assets are doing. It basically tell us number of breakdowns, like how many hours system was down. Let's say we talk of DG, suppose. So in DG we have 3 assets. So how many breakdowns hours are there, and how many it is like how many hours it was running perfectly. Okay. So this is very good KPI, you can say, from facility point of view or maintenance team, because for a maintenance team it is our objective. One of the main objective is to, like, our critical assets are always up and running and they are working smoothly. Okay. Uh, so if you don't find this dashboard in your facility, in your Kaizen facility management system, then what you can do is you can just go and dashboard and just edit it. Okay, edit your dashboard, and in the asset ppm module there will be a option critical asset uptime tracker, so that you need to select if it is not already there. Okay, like in my case I already added, and then you can drag and drop at any place, whatever you want, wherever you want to see. Like this is one component, so you can push it to any location. Okay, so for now, since I have already added this step, so let's move to dashboard again. Okay, so this is one of the most important component, critical assets. We need to track it. Okay, so let's say I just select it 1 month, 2 months, so 4 month I'm just selecting. So it give you complete picture, like what is the average uptime for all the DGs. There are 3 DG in this case, DG7 and DG 115 kV at different locations. Okay, so we can track each and everything, and we can see overall how many breakdowns or how many breakdown hours are there. Okay. So how can we configure the operation hours? That we need to go to the asset, and like say this is one asset DG7 or DG15 kV. So here we need to add the